So this is going to be a non-traditional way to enter the apartment.
You and me together, we could be anything.
Hi everyone, I want to share with you my very own apartment. We were fortunate enough to have an unusable space. We converted from just a basement into a place I can relax when I come home from a long day. So I'm going to show you inside and tell you about all the transformations that went on.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights.
Lunchtime. Seriously, you're having lunch right now? Won't you stop and eat?
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you so alive.
It's staging day, yeah. And here we are in my vacant apartment. It's time to furnish it. I found this cool futon that acts, of course, as a couch, and then you can pull it out and have room for guests. How cool is that? In fact, it even has a built-in speaker. So we're gonna be rocking out in this apartment. I can stay here. What are we gonna start with? What are we gonna do in this room? I'll brighten up this room a little bit. So we brought in this fun area rug. I'm gonna put it underneath here so that way the rug does not move. And I found a cool butterfly chair. I'm gonna put right here so that way there's the conversational flow. How this area was set up was that there was a door from the bathroom going into the backyard. It was actually pretty cool and unique. We can start off with the bathroom in here. I love the fun tassels in this towel. You have a solid darker color, and then you have a fun texture pattern, and then you can top it off with something else that's fun. So the patterns do work well together. They are different colors, but they actually work well together. So there is a shower stall, and we didn't change this, but I added curtains here just to kind of soften the look a little bit. And we updated the bathroom, just brought in a simple sink, and I wanted to play with glass tiles, the subway. And then I added these two shelves here to get additional storage. If you want a little bit more storage, I'm going to take the wall art down. So here is the ledge, and we want to make sure that it's level. And what's tricky here is that the ceiling is at a slant. I'm going to put my ledge about right here. That's kind of where I want my ledge. I'm going to put the level here. Right there is about level. This is where I'm going to be marking it. The strap itself is going to go up here. So you want to measure when the strap is on to go up here. Something like that. Now we step into the kitchen. So there was a bar right here. There was no kitchen whatsoever. We took that out and we added in a permanent island. And I was able to add a lip up here so then there would be plumbing. So it provides for a bar height counter. So I got two fun swivel stools, and then when you step up it becomes basically counter height. I like being able to entertain my guests or have my children here. It's got a full-on fridge. It's got these two lights that I found arrived with the rose gold, and I actually didn't mind it. So when I turn off the lights, you'll be able to see what it looks like. We go into the bedroom. Is it on? I think it's got auto sensor. It's like tracking, face tracking or something like that. I'm not sure. I now present you the bedroom. So it's a little bit naked. We just brought in the bed and we put in a really cool protective cover. Whee! This is awesome. I can touch the ceiling too. This is so cool. It's funny. This thing is confusing. It's gonna be confusing. Even though the space feels small, it actually can fit a queen bed in here, so it's quite comfortable. I played around with the design. The decor in the past was a little bit more modern and minimal. This year, I've changed it up a little bit. I changed it to boho, comfy style, relaxed and organic, so that's the trend this year. So there's an electric panel here which I want to cover. It doesn't match perfectly, but from this angle you can't tell, it still looks great. The little cricket. There we go. So there you have it, a temporary piece to cover the electric panel. That is actually pretty cool. So now we have this fun little clock, and I want to put it here so people can see what time they need to get up to do their thing. Be about right here. Always want to hang it at an angle, so when things fall, it catches a little bit if things fall. We want the guests to feel comfortable, so we're going to give them a lot of books. Knock me down, your love is a drummer. To complete this room, we're going to be adding an area rug. It's going to be soft on the feet, and also it actually helps absorb sound. So this unit is underneath another unit, so we want to make sure we can do as much we can towards soundproofing. I see you wondering, I take your time so you do it. I need some help here. This is a fun plug and play light that I found on clearance at IKEA. And it feels like a jellyfish, or I call it the Medusa light. It's just fabric with ombre color, white going into blue, and it's just got a bulb, and it's a plug and play. So it's very versatile. You plug it into the wall and you hook it up on the ceiling wherever you want it to be. Every girl needs storage, right? As much as I do have my storage upstairs, this is my IKEA wardrobe. Kind of have some clothes here, and actually it's got a lot of cool drawers on this side, and it's got mirrors in here, so it makes the room look a little bit bigger.
We won't melt away if you always work for me in the daylight. There'll be no time left to play. Why don't you drive me up to the mountaintop? Kiss me like a kid, we'll hide from the cops. Oh. Know what you wanna try.
There you have it. I put my apartment together from nothing, from something cold into something warm and inviting. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you like this video, please subscribe, and we can't wait to make more for you. Bye for now. What time is it? Vanessa, are you done?